Vatican just finished the 25th major event of the Jubilee year. This one featured remarks by Pope Leo and an appearance by a Supreme Court justice. EWTN Vatican journalist Bénédicte Cedergren has more.
La virtù della giustizia, in particolare,
love justice and avoid evil is one of the Bible's timeless appeals. But Pope Leo reminds us that justice is not only about respect for the law, but also about respect for the dignity of the person. Speaking to thousands of civil legal professionals gathered in St. Peter's Square for the Jubilee of Justice, the Holy Father reflected on the virtue, its role, demands, how it ought to be lived, and how Christians are called to a higher form of it.
la giustizia evangelica, quindi,
Evangelical justice, therefore, does not take away from human justice, but challenges and refines it. It prompts human justice to go ever further, impelling it towards the pursuit of reconciliation. Evil, in fact, must not only be punished, but also repaired.
irreprensibile.
Pope Leo, who holds a doctorate in Canon Law, stressed that working for true justice is a demanding task, but not impossible for those committed to it. Lawyers, court officials, canon lawyers, law professors, and judges from about 100 countries, including around 50 from the United States, listen closely to his guidance.
This Jubilee year provides us an opportunity to really reflect on how we, including the legal profession, can do a better job of protecting the dignity of the human person, of providing care for the sick and the vulnerable, for looking out for those who are in prison, and those who are in need of help.
The Justice and I were born the same.
On the occasion of the Jubilee, U.S. Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito Jr. even sat down for a public conversation in the Vatican with a judge on the Roman Rota, a Vatican court, to speak about faith, hope, and mercy. Mercy, Justice Alito said, should be built into laws as they are drafted and adopted, and it is entirely proper and advisable for a judge to exercise it when he can, but that it is not always possible.
Completely reconciling mercy with justice is probably impossible. I think only God can do that. Justice is what everybody has a right to. It is what they are due. Mercy is something that we don't necessarily merit.
About 30 attorneys affiliated with the Catholic Bar Association also attended the Jubilee. After days of prayer, community, and conversation, they shared that they will return home more determined than ever to let their faith guide every aspect of their legal practice.
I hope that when I sit down at my desk next Friday and I turn on my computer and I pick up the phone and talk to my clients, talk to my opponents, that my experience here from tomorrow and through this weekend will be with me, and that it will check me where I'm tempted to go too far, but that it will also inspire me to seek the good and in all things to work for justice.
In Rome, Bénédicte Cedergren for EWTN News Nightly.